Okay, today I'm going to be making a scupper hole cart for my Hoodoo Tempest 120p. This is the new version. I don't know if you'd call it the 2022 or 2023, but it is the one with the upgraded rudder, flip down. Also, the dry storage is now under the seat, not in the back under your crate area. So I got two of these 10-inch tires from Harbor Freight. I used my reward number, got them for $5.99, otherwise $8.99. They are 10-inch, 5/8 center. I also got some PVC. This is the 1-inch, not the 3/4, 1-inch. I bought a 10-foot stick and 4 T's. Then I got these little guys. These just insert into the T. I'm not using the threads. I just wanted something that kept the 24-inch 5/8 threaded stick, all thread, to keep it somewhat in the center. May upgrade it to something else, but for now it will do. Got the 24-inch 5/8 all thread. PVC cutters, Harbor Freight, $7.99. Cut real nice. And some PVC glue, as well as my 5/8 inch threaded rod kit. So I have my two upper sticks at 16 inches. My two centers, 9 1/4. And these two below going to my axle at 6 inches. Okay, so real simple. I'm sure I don't have to go over the gluing process. I just wanted to get you guys just a simple tutorial here. Put these two guys in like so. Stick this guy in. I'm gonna put a couple washers on there. You can see we have one part recessed and one guy sticking out. Put the guy sticking out towards the frame. Put another washer in. Boom. Flip her around. Again, the protruding part towards the frame. Another washer. And it's easy as that. I'm gonna do a dry fit before I glue everything together. And just so you see where I'm going in the rear in these two holes with the 1-inch pipe. And bam, fits right in there. Sorry, I don't have a GoPro yet. I'm using my phone. So I apologize if the video is a little shaky. I do plan on getting a GoPro and some proper mounts. And as you can see, these are the holes underneath. And they will go right in like this. Sorry guys, I got a lot of stuff in the garage here and I'm working by myself. There we go. Bam. So as you can see, she fits right in there. Ready to rock and roll. Looking good from the back. I also got a pool noodle. And I'm gonna be cutting a piece to go right here, which I will thread on before I glue so I don't have to cut it. And I'll probably put one right there just so I have a little flotation for it. So after that, she pops out. And pops in. And you're good to go. Don't have to leave it at the dock to go to your car to get your wheels. Everything's right there. You don't have to strap it. The 1-inch fits in it perfectly. So, yep. Gonna be getting some black and it's called Marine Reef, but I'm gonna go to Home Depot, find some the right colors for that. Give it a little paint job. I'm good to go. Thanks for tuning in, guys.